Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today it's a video I am going to show you how to prepare your soya bean chunks. I have here about 1 cup of soya bean, and I need a strainer and a basin, and also some salt and some turmeric powder. So let's see how it is being made. Let's get into the kitchen. As to start off, I'm going to pour some water into the pot. And you turn on your stove to a medium heat or medium high. And also put some salt. And approximately about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And your soybean chunks, you may put it in together. And with this, we will give it a stir. And cover the stove, cover the pot and let it come to a boil. And we'll see once it starts to boil. Hello viewers, it is already been boiling, so now I'm just going to turn this off and give a quick stir. And also at this stage you may turn off your stove. And now we are just going to strain it, and I will show you and how do I do it. Dear viewers, you need a strainer, a basin, and just pour them all into this basin. And transfer them back into the pot. So when this has been cooled off, and we will squeeze out the remaining water. Right now it is not possible to touch it, so we will wait approximately about 10 minutes or 15 minutes to cool, or maybe 30 minutes, then we will be back again. Dear viewers, it has been about 30 minutes now, and it has been a little bit cool off, so I'm going to start squeezing out the water, and I'll show you how to do it. So have a bowl next to you. All you need to do is take a handful, squeeze them out as much as you can, and transfer them into the bowl. So I'll show you. I'll come back when I finish squeezing it. And dear viewers, our soybean chunks are ready to be cooked on our desired way. This is how I do, and why I do this way is because at many times when I eat the soybean chunks, I smell the fresh smell of the soybean, which I am not very comfortable with that. By this, the fresh smell is taken away, and salt is to kill any germs, and also turmeric to kill any antibacteria. So in any bacteria, it's all been killed. So this is also one of the good way to consume the soybean chunks, and this is not a ready product. There will be another there will be another dish that I'll be soon. I will be posting that video on what are the dishes that I can make out of this soya bean chunks. So thank you very much everyone for viewing my channel, and please do subscribe and share this video with everyone. Thank you for all who have newly joined my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting me. Please keep supporting me by watching my videos and clicking the like. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.